YouTube channel Practice Moment Matters, and in this tutorial we will show you how to install Node.js and Visual Studio for Node.js development. In this video we will guide you through the process of installing both Node.js and Visual Studio so that you can start building your own Node.js projects. The first step is to install Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. So first open your browser and search for Node.js website. So it will take you to this page. Now just click on this download Node.js. Select your operating system. Mine is Windows. So I just select the installer 64 and it will download that installer. So once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the instruction to complete the installation. I will click on this yes, next. I just accept the license agreement, next, install. So it will start installing Node.js. So once the installation process is complete, how can we check the way our Node.js is installed successfully or not? So for that, you can go to the window bar and search for command prompt. And here you will type node You can see now the node version Node.js is successfully installed with the given version. Now that we have installed successfully Node.js, the next step is to install Visual Studio. So to install Visual Studio, open a new tab and search for Visual Studio website. Visual Studio code. Just click on this link, and if you are on Mac, you should select your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I just select Stable User Installer. So it will install. So once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the instructions. So just click on open, click on run. So accept the agreement, click on next. Just click on next. If you want to create a desktop item, you can click here, next, install. So it is installing Visual Studio. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Node.js and Visual Studio for Node.js development. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.